I wrote this song for two of my friends who live in Taos, New Mexico. And we've been hiking the Grand Canyon together and the Paria Canyon. And I'm sure it was on one of our long hikes that we started talking about how caterpillars have to metamorphose before they become butterflies. Their cells actually have to liquefy before they change and become butterflies. And as we were talking, we started talking about how when you face something really difficult, whether it's just something for the day difficult or longer than that, there's kind of a surrendering that you have to do. And it feels often accompanied by tears, and it feels like liquefying. So that's kind of the background to this song. Waterfall woman, fall down. Waterfall woman, fall down. Kiss on the lips, fall down. Toes in the mud, fall down. Smooth round belly. Oh, she laugh, oh, she cry when herself liquefied. Jelly, jelly. Oh, she laugh, oh, she cry when her cells liquefied. Jelly, jelly. Waterfall children, fall down. Waterfall children, fall down. Kiss on the lips, fall down. Toes in the mud, fall down. Smooth round belly. They cry when their cells liquefy. Jelly, jelly. Oh, they laugh, oh, they cry when their cells liquefy. Jelly, jelly. Those are little metamorphoses. Butterfly baby, fly around. Butterfly baby, fly around. Breeze on your wings. Spots in the sun, fly around. Serve a yellow flower, first she crawl, then she fly when her cells liquefy. Jelly, jelly. First she crawl, then she fly when her cells liquefy. Jelly, jelly. She knows how to change. She knows how to liquefy. Change, she knows how to liquefy. She knows how to change, oh yeah. She knows how to liquefy. She knows how to change.